Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to give you a comparison video between Apollo and Lusha. So which one is better? Choosing between Apollo.ai and Lusha.com in 2025 depends on your specific business needs. As both platforms offer distinct advantage in B2B lead generations and sales intelligence, here's the detailed comparison to help you decide. Now, data accuracy and coverage. In Lusa, boost as 81% data accuracy rate, making it a strong choice for teams prioritizing reliable contact information. However, its database is relatively smaller with around 150 million profiles, which may limit reach in certain industries or regions. Now, Apollo.io on the other side offers a larger database with over 220 filterable data points. While its accuracy is slightly lower, Apollo.io compensates with real-time data and intent signals, aiding in identifying prospects closer to making purchases decisions. Now let's talk about the features and insight for this both platform. So first up is Apollo.ai. So Apollo.io provides advanced features like sales engagement tools, intent data, and detailed analytics, making it suitable for teams seeking a comprehensive sales intelligence solution. Now, Lusha focus on delivering accurate contact information efficiently with features like AI-driven recommendations and a user-friendly browser extension ideal for quick outreach efforts. Now here is the pricing and value comparison between two of this platform. So first up is Apollo offer competitive pricing with more credit at each tier. For instance, the professional plan includes unlimited emails with 100 mobile credits monthly at $49. And on the other hand, Lusa, while slightly more expensive, Lusa provides advanced features at higher tiers. The Pro plan is priced at $39 per users monthly and the Premium at $59. Now here's the integrations and supports. Apollo.io offer extensive integrations with CRM like Salesforce, HubSpot, and marketing tools such as Marketo and Pardot. It also provides a REST API for custom integrations catering to complex workflow. On the other hand, Lusa integrates with popular CRMs like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Zoho, focusing on seamless data enrichment. While it offers an API for custom integrations, it may require more technical expertise. Compliance and data security. Apollo.io holds SOC 2 and ISO 27001 certifications, emphasizing robust data security measures. And on the other side, Lusha certified with ISO 27701 and adheres to GDPR, ensuring strong data protection and privacy standards. Now, let's talk about the user experience and ideal use case. So, Apollo.io suited for mid-range large businesses with complex sales operations, offering advanced engagement features and analytics. Lusha is ideal for recruiters and small sales teams, focusing on direct outreach thanks to its ease of use and efficient contact data provisions. Now here's the final recommendation for you. Choose Apollo.io if you require a comprehensive sales intelligence platform with advanced features, extensive integrations, and a larger database to support complex sales strategies. Opt for Lusha if your priority is obtain accurate contact information quickly and efficiently, especially beneficial for smaller teams or those focusing on direct outreach. So both platforms offer free trials, allowing you to explore their features and determine which aligns best with your business objectives. So hope you found this video helpful, and let us know which one you recommended and in the comments below. And thanks for watching. Till next time.